Batch cooking ingredients allows you to have an abundance of a certain ingredient to be split up into multiple meals. Today I'll show you my method of batch cooking beans, which requires 2 minutes of your time so that you can reap the rewards quicker. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. For returning subscribers, welcome back. Today I'm batch cooking garbanzo beans, but this method works on everything from black to navy to pinto beans. Get a saucepan with about 4 cups of water to a boil and add your bag of beans. Let them boil for about 2 minutes. Remove them from the heat and allow them to sit covered for an hour. Set a timer so that you don't forget about them. This takes place of an overnight soak. Drain the beans and add them to a crock pot half full of water on high and cover to cook for about 3 hours or until the beans are tender. Drain the beans and pick out any funky ones that you might have missed. Then decide what recipes you want to make and portion them out accordingly. You could do my Mexican veggie quinoa bake, add them to your salad for lunch, or make some bean and cheese soft tacos for dinner. The possibilities are endless. For more tips not found here, go to mrskringleskitchen.com. Like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.